और कर एक बार एक बार और कर दे. Oh, there you are. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay. So. Welcome to India. So, solar powered humans, K. Yogi Vinodanand. So, I was enjoying this toys of the children. This reminded me of my childhood memories when I was in 1962. So, here goes the point. I'm sharing a wonderful message with you regarding your spiritualism, timelessness, salvation, moksha. So as I was enjoying this man with balloons and toys for children, so here comes the point again, this timelessness. Those who are the advanced practitioners of yoga, Khechari, then Vajoli, and going in timelessness, and Kevali Kumbhak especially. So God has gifted us with some faculties. We can go right up to the womb of our mother. We can perceive all those experiences when you are subtle. And even beyond that, 84 lakhs of species, beyond this planet, Kali Yuga, Satyug, Dwapar, Treta, we can go beyond the time of this solar power system. So, wonderful gift. I again share with you what are the techniques going in timelessness. This is a great gift from the Lord that a human mind can live in many, many lives at a time, you know. Me now being a yoga brother, 68, but at the same, I was a child now. So, multi-dimensional, life, you know, we can enjoy within this body with the mind settled. So now I give you the point. K. Yogi Vinodanand, solar powered humans. It's no advertisement, no publicity. I'm sharing with you a gift again. Let's now, globalization, we talk of it now. The spiritualism is no more only bomb mentality. So now we have to think how we meditate in the space, how we meditate in the flying aeroplanes. So how to go in timelessness, salvation, it's very, very scientific. No, you know, first we should have the knowledge of this field and the knower. This is called wisdom according to Lord Krishna, to have the knowledge of all the 84 lakh species, this body and the knower. Then you can think of salvation, moksha, timelessness, no mob mentality. Now let's be very, very scientific. Here comes the gift. Oh, Wei Rinpoche, the American, he has invented it. With artificial intelligence, I am giving you a gift. You can learn all yoga techniques, spiritualism, all kind of meditation, different mythologies, answers. And not evasive replies. Egoless Guru, his master. That is your aiyogi.org. I repeat, aiyogi.org. So any question under the sun, especially your self-transformation on this planet, beyond this planet, how you will be given answer, as now I was enjoying with this man, Balloon Man, my childhood days. Then you can enjoy your perception in the womb of your mother. These 84 lakh species beyond the world. So right now click aiyogi.org and ask these questions openly. You won't be given any evasive reply like the gurus with the ego, those who take out their big eyes like this. When their ego is hurt, instead of giving the answer, they go evasive. Welcome to India, the land of, you know, ascetics, mystery. Here you again enjoy This master, see how they are hardworking. My country, Mera Desh Mahan, how he's earning his bread and हाँ एक बार और करके दिखा दे दोस्त तेरा वीडियो डाल रहा हूँ मैं अमेरिकन्स को आई एम या सी ओह वंडरफुल मेरी तरफ कर जरा इधर मेरी तरफ कर जरा तेरा दोस्तों को भेज रहा हूँ बस मेरी तरफ वाह थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग wow God bless oh this is India marvelous
10 रुपए का
thank you for so
लो बेटा
great of you thanks for watching welcome to India join yogis have these perceptions the blessings Naga Babas Kumbh from 15th of January okay Tiger Venkran Poche oh I may God bless you for all your efforts no selfish motives you are giving a lot to the world. Oh, I salute the solar powered humans, Venkran Poche and Harlan, my tiger. Ah. Om Namah Shivaya. Wow. Wow. Thanks for watching.